This is a short story about two travelers and why couples who travel together stay together. Meet Anne and Ken. Anne and Ken lived for adventure. From snowy peaks to sun-kissed beaches, they explored every corner of the globe. From the vibrant markets of Morocco, to the serene cherry blossoms of Japan, to the culinary delights of Italy, to the wonders of the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, and the majestic Rockies in Canada. But their favorite journey was always together. Where will your next adventure take you? This year, let your family or couple's adventure begin. Discover the top 10 travel destinations for 2024. Paris, Tokyo, Bali, New York, Cape Town, Sydney, Rome, Santorini, Banff, and Dubai. Experience the amazing adventures the world has to offer. Consider these top 10 destinations for 2024. Number 10. Kyoto, Japan. Experience the beauty of ancient temples and cherry blossoms. Number 9. Cape Town, South Africa. Discover breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cultures. Number 8. Reykjavik, Iceland. Marvel at the northern lights and surreal landscapes. Number 7. Lisbon, Portugal. Enjoy the colorful streets and delicious cuisine. Number 6. Sydney, Australia. Soak up the sun at iconic beaches and landmarks. Number 5. Vancouver, Canada. Explore stunning natural beauty and cosmopolitan flair. Number 4. Rome, Italy. Step back in time with ancient history and exquisite food. Number 3. New York City, USA. Feel the pulse of the city that never sleeps. Number 2. Barcelona, Spain. Discover a blend of modernism and tradition. And number 1. Santorini, Greece. Experience the charm of stunning sunsets and whitewashed architecture. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, 2024 has some incredible destinations waiting for you. Share your travel dreams in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative and entertaining content.